Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Getcontact app. You will enter to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Getcontact app and you can click here. In this page of app info, you will enter to first stop. Then you will click OK. After that, you will go to storage. Here in this page, you will click on clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.